Mudskipper.
Mudskipper. The mudskipper is a small fish found in shallow coastal waters, able to jump about and climb low rocks to look for food. A mudskipper is a fish that can come out of water and move about in mud. A mudskipper is any of several Asian and African gobies, genera Periophthalmus and Boleophthalmus, that are able to skip about actively over wet mud and sand. Mudskippers are a fascinating group of amphibious fish that belong to the subfamily Oxudercinae within the family Gobiidae. They are commonly found in the intertidal zones of mangrove forests, estuaries, and mudflats in tropical and subtropical regions of Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Pacific Islands. Here are some key features and characteristics of mudskippers.
1. Physical adaptations. Mudskippers have evolved several unique physical adaptations that allow them to thrive in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. One of their most notable adaptations is their ability to breathe air. They possess specialized respiratory organs, known as pseudobranchs, which allow them to extract oxygen directly from the air. Additionally, mudskippers have well-developed pectoral fins, which they use to walk or skip on land.
2. Habitat. Mudskippers primarily inhabit tidal mudflats and mangrove forests, where they can move between water and land with ease. They are well adapted to withstand the fluctuations in water levels and salinity typical of intertidal habitats.
3. Feeding behavior. These fish are primarily carnivorous and feed on a variety of small invertebrates, including insects, crustaceans, worms, and mollusks. They use their protruding eyes to spot prey and their strong pectoral fins to move around and capture food.
4. Social behavior. Mudskippers are generally solitary creatures, although they may be seen in small groups in certain areas. They are territorial and will defend their feeding and breeding territories from other mudskippers.
5. Reproduction. Mudskippers have a unique method of reproduction. During high tide, the male constructs a burrow within the mud or sand and performs courtship displays to attract a female. After successful mating, the female lays her eggs in the burrow, and the male guards them until they hatch. Once the eggs hatch, the young mudskippers emerge and live in the burrow for a short period before venturing out into the intertidal zone.
6. Predators. Mudskippers face threats from various predators, including birds, larger fish, and mammals that inhabit the coastal areas.
7. Importance in the ecosystem. Mudskippers play a crucial role in their ecosystems as both predators and prey. They help control populations of small invertebrates and serve as a food source for larger animals, contributing to the overall balance of the ecosystem.
The study of mudskippers has provided valuable insights into the evolution of vertebrates transitioning from aquatic to terrestrial environments. Their unique adaptations have made them a subject of scientific interest and a curious sight for nature enthusiasts exploring intertidal regions.
Summary. Mudskippers are a fascinating group of amphibious fish found in the intertidal zones of mangrove forests, estuaries, and mudflats in tropical and subtropical regions of Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Pacific Islands. These fascinating fish have unique physical adaptations, such as the ability to breathe air and well-developed pectoral fins for walking or skipping on land. They are carnivorous and feed on various small invertebrates, using their protruding eyes and strong pectoral fins to capture food. Mudskippers are generally solitary creatures, but they may be seen in small groups in certain areas. They have a unique reproduction method where the male constructs a burrow during high tide to attract a female, and the female lays her eggs in the burrow. Mudskippers play a crucial role in their ecosystems as both predators and prey, controlling populations of small invertebrates and serving as food sources for larger animals. Their unique adaptations have made them a subject of scientific interest and a curious sight for nature enthusiasts exploring intertidal regions.
This content is mainly for the purpose of learning and expanding your English vocabulary. We are learning American English. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Thank you for considering subscribing to see more exciting videos.